Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 4. Yes, day number 4, week 4, fall 2025 of our journey together. Day number 4, week 4, fall 2025 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. So we are going to continue where we start off yesterday. Let's head up properly. My name is Mr. Pradeep. Good night. Good night. My name is Mr. Pradeep. Today is Thursday. September the 25th. Did Thursday come fast or it took long for y'all? Feel like
Fast.
Feel like it come fast?
Very fast.
Because tomorrow is Friday and this is our last class for the week until Monday. So do you think it went fast or you think it was slow for you?
It went fast, but I know tomorrow it's gonna go slow.
You know, tomorrow's oh boy. Okay. That's a good one. I wasn't expecting you to say that. All right, so yeah, it's to me it seems like Thursday came so fast. That's how it feel like I can't tell the difference between the days. I honestly can't. Um, but nonetheless, here we are.
Thought Sunday was Monday.
Say it again.
Thought Sunday was Monday.
You thought Sunday is Sunday. Oh yeah, that's funny. Did we have any holidays recently? No, no holidays. I don't think we had any holidays recently. Just the school open. Okay. But we still are doing mensuration. Today we're going to be looking at perimeter, but with linear equations. And we're gonna learn how to solve them. So we're gonna finish up what we started yesterday, basically. So if you didn't understand what we did yesterday, that's fine because we're gonna recap it today and then build on those ideas. All right. So obviously when we do a mensuration, it's a lot of drawing. So let's go ahead and draw this image first. It is a trapezium, so you could just go ahead and quickly draw that because it is a trapezium. So let's go ahead. We have trapezium here. Let me just put it there. And yeah, there we go. So basically what we have here is, I want you to draw this as well. We have this side is equal to, this side is x, this side is x plus 9, this side is 8x, and this side is x minus 6. So x plus 9, 8x, and x minus 6. So that's what we have for this trapezium here. Let me just put it over here. Good. So what we want to do is we want to basically work out what we have been working out, but eventually land on the solving the equation. So what crop we gonna have on this particular field? Anyone have any suggestions? We did corn. We did
Good nap.
Guava.
guava. Guava. Okay, guava. The whole field of guava. All right, sure. So does guava even taste good to y'all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Really? Okay.
No.
I had soy. She wants to say guava. Guava.
No.
You don't like guava? How
I
about
like guava duff. Yes,
guava
sir.
duff?
Guava tastes so bad.
Guava duff. Guava duff. Yeah, guava duff.
Guava duff.
My
Guava
mom
duff.
like guava duff.
Okay. All right. I detest guava duff. It's bad. I don't know how people like it, but you know, some people like it, so that's fine.
Excuse
Everyone
me,
have that.
Miss
Go ahead.
This is Destiny. My mommy says she also makes guava duff too.
Oh yeah.
Good
Oh yeah.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh yeah, that is true. That's true. Some people make a guava duff. And it tastes really good. But me personally, I never really liked guava duff anyway. So But when I see people eating it, they just as be coming back for more. So I guess it tastes good to them. Anyone else love guava? Guava fans?
Me,
Me.
this could be they only is come back because they have a secret
Me.
ingredient
I
inside.
just like the duff and the sauce. I don't like the guava in it.
You guys like the duff and the sauce? Okay. All right. So we have a whole guava field. Go ahead, Destiny, read the question. The diagram shows.
The
Destiny,
diagram shows
go ahead.
Mr. and Bristol's guava field. 1. Write down an expression for the distance around the field.
Very good. So we're going to write down an expression for the distance around the field. So this is going to be for the distance around the field. The expression is going to be for the distance around the field. So how are we gonna do this? We're gonna put for our answer just an expression for the distance around the field. We're gonna put based on
All the terms?
all of the terms. Very good. So we're gonna put the x, right? Then after the x, we're gonna put the x plus 9. And after the x plus 9, we're gonna put 8x. Then after the 8x, we're gonna put x minus 6. Let's group them all together. So we have x plus 9 plus 8x plus x minus 6. So that's what we have. We have x plus 9 plus 8x plus x minus 6. All right. Now they don't want us to simplify it yet, but this is our answer just for the expression. All right. Class, do you all understand that? Let me know if you all understand that, please. Let me know if you all understand.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Yes, sir.
So x plus 9, 8x,
So
x minus 6. Good. So now we want to obviously simplify it. So you're gonna say simplify. Simplify. Write this down for me, please. Simplify your answer. Simplify your answer in part I. So we want to simplify our answer, but we want to do it the easy way. We don't want to do it the long way. We just want to be able to look at it and simplify it. Right? You all think you all could look at it and simplify it by now?
Yes.
Think so? All right. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna look at it and just simplify it basically that. So what do we have here? We have, and we know that we have what? We have 1x, right? That's it right here. That's 1x. We have another x. This is 1x, right? We combine all of the x's. Then we have 8x. Okay. And we have 1x again. So class, what is 1x plus 1x? That's gonna be what?
2x.
1x plus 1x is gonna be
2x.
2x. Very good. And what is 2x plus 8x?
10x.
10x. Very good. What is 10x plus x?
11x.
11x. Very good. So that means that for the first one here, we're gonna put 11x.
11x.
11x. Good. It's gonna be 11x. Okay. So that's 11x. Are we done?
No, sir.
No, right? So we have, what we're gonna do, we're gonna deal with the numbers now. So it's gonna be plus 9, right? Minus plus 9 and minus 6. What is 9 minus 6? That's gonna be what?
3.
3. Very good. 3. So what did we do? We dealt with the x's. We say 1x plus 1x gives me 2x. And 2x plus 8x gives me 10x. Then 10x plus 1x is going to give me 11x. So we put 11x right there. Then we just deal with the numbers. So 9 minus 6 is going to give me 3. So that means that my expression is definitely 11x plus 3. So my expression here is going to be 11x plus 3. I move all this. So 11x plus 3. And that's my simplified version. Are we good so far up to this point? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So now, all we need to do is write an equation. But in order for us to, by the way, what's the difference between an expression and an equation? Anyone remember?
An expression doesn't have an equal sign and an equation does.
Very good. So for expressions, we do not put an equal sign. For equations, we do have an equal sign. It's equal to another digit on the other side. All right. So this is number 3. Okay, so number 3 here. This is number 3. I want should I? Can you read number 3, please? The distance around the field.
The distance around the field is 36 centimeters. Using your answer from 2, write an equation to show this information.
Very good. And Anthony, read number 3.
The distance around the field is 36 centimeters. Using your answer from 2, write an equation to show this information.
One more person. Carly, read number 3. Carly C, read number 3. Yes, Carly. Carly C, can you hear me? Can't really hear from Carly C. Lamaya, where's Lamaya?
Yes, sir.
Read number 3 for me, please.
The distance around the field is 36 centimeters. Using your answer from number 2, write an equation to show this information.
Very good. So we're gonna write the equation to show this information. So anyone want to help me with number 3? How are we gonna get number 3? What we gonna do? We're gonna write an equation. And the equation is equal sign. So what we gonna do for number 3?
11x plus 3 equals 36.
Say, so you have to say it louder because I hear you saying the right thing.
11x plus 3 equals 36 centimeters.
Very good. 11x plus 3 is equal to 36 centimeters. Now, can anyone tell me why she used 36? I don't think she used 36.
Because it's the perimeter.
Very good. Because 36 is the perimeter. So basically, we have an algebraic representation of the perimeter, which is 11x plus 3. That's the simplified algebraic version. But they gave us the numerical version of the perimeter, right? Its numerical value, which is 36. So if this is an expression for the perimeter, and if this is the numerical value for the perimeter, then those two must be equal to each other. So we have 11x plus 3 equals 36. And this is the equation. Go ahead.
So if we were to work this out now, you'd be finding what x is?
Yes, that's exactly right. You'll be finding what x is in this case.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that's exactly what we're going to do next, right? So we're going to solve for x. But before we solve for x, does everyone understand how I got this equation? You all understand how I got it?
No, sir.
Who said
Yes,
no?
sir.
Someone said no.
Yes, sir. Amari.
Amari? Okay. So
Wait,
Amari,
Mr. Petit.
yes, go ahead.
So for the first question, you do the expression what we did yesterday. Then after we solve it, we got 11x plus 3, and then do the distance instead of the perimeter. So you use distance instead of the perimeter, and then it equals 36, right?
Mhm,
And now, so now we have to figure out how we have to just finish explaining.
Yeah, we have to figure out what x is, right?
Can I answer that? Sorry.
Who said they want to answer it?
Excuse me,
I
Mr.
think
Petit.
I think I have an idea on
That-
how you get x.
That's Acacia? Acacia rule?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, you could answer that. But before you do that, someone was saying they don't understand how we got 11x plus 3 equals to 36. So I'm gonna explain that part over, and then I gotta let you do it. So basically, I can't remember who it is who said they didn't understand how I got it. I can't remember who that was. But basically,
Amari.
Amari, okay. Amari, do you understand how I got 11x plus 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All I did was set it equal to 36. So whatever the perimeter is, you take this expression, you put equal to, and you put 36. That's how you answer this question. It's very easy. Just put equal to 36. But this might not always be 36. It could be a different number, right? So whatever number this is, whatever the perimeter they give you, you just put equal to. You take your answer for the first one, and you put equal to whatever the perimeter is. That's how we do that.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now we want to solve.
How did you get 11x plus 3?
How did I get 11x plus 3? So what I did was, this is 1x, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
1x,
sir.
1x plus 1x is what?
2x.
Very good. And 2x plus 8x is what?
You say 2x plus 8x?
Yeah, 2x plus 8x.
11.
No, 2x plus
10.
8, 10. Very good. And then what is 10x plus x?
Pardon me?
What is 10x plus x?
11x.
11x. So that's how we got the 11x here. All we did was add all the x's on top.
Oh, okay.
And then
Yes,
for the 3, we just did 9 minus 6. And 9 minus 6 is 3. That makes sense?
Yes, I understand now.
Okay, so now that we get that, let me get right down this question. We want to figure out what is the so the next question is solve your equation for x. Okay, solve your equation for x. So solve your equation for x. So go ahead, Acacia. How are we gonna solve this equation for x?
Oh, okay. First of all, I can explain it. See how 11x next to x. I think that's multiplication, so you do the opposite, right?
Okay.
Which is division.
So we have
Then
11.
you take the 3.
So we have it. We
Oh.
could do it step by step for everyone. So we have 11x plus 3
11x plus 3.
equals to 36, right? And you're telling me that the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send 3 over, right?
Yes, send 3 over on both sides, 3 and 36.
So I'm gonna if I have positive 3, when I send it over the equal sign, what does it become?
It's gonna change.
Negative 3.
Very good. Negative 3. So okay, so we're gonna write now 11.
We're gonna write negative 3 and negative 11 on both sides.
So 11x is equal to what?
36.
minus 3.
Minus 3. Does this make sense so far to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So what else we gonna do, Acacia? No problem, Anthony. I see your message. What we gonna do at this point?
We divide 11.
Before we divide, because we are gonna divide. Before we divide, we have to do what? We have to subtract, right?
We're gonna solve 36 on 3.
Very good. 36 minus 3 is what?
33.
33. Very good. So we have 11x is equal to 33. What are we gonna do at this point?
We're gonna divide 11 on both sides.
Very good. Divide 11 on both sides. So why are we dividing 11 on both sides?
Because we're trying to find x by itself.
Very good, because we're trying to find x by itself. And since the operation between 11 and x is multiplication, we do the opposite of that. So it's gonna be 11x is equal to 33. I'm gonna divide both sides by 11. So divide this by 11. Divide this by 11. And So that means that this cancels out with that. So we have that x is equal to,
3.
what
3
is
feet
30?
divided by 11. 3.
What is 33 divided by 11? 33
3.
divided 3, very good. 3, so x is equal to
But
3.
Mr. Petit, I did it a different way, but I still got the same answer.
What did you do?
I did 11x, but I used the 3. I used -3 divided by 3 and -3 divided by 36.
Say it again?
Okay, I used -3. You see how there's +3 up there? I just put 3 instead of 11, and I did it on both sides. Then I divided 11. I canceled out 11.
What did you do? You subtract 3 on both sides?
Yes, on both sides.
Okay, yes, that's fine.
3 and 36.
Mm-hmm.
And then then 3 subtract 36 gives you 33.
Mm-hmm.
Once the +3 and -3 is 0. So you just put the 11 back, and 11x equals 30. You divide it by 33. You divide it by 11, then you get the same answer.
Yeah, the same thing. Same thing. All right, do we understand how I got x is equal to 3? Or we need to explain that again?
I understand.
Let me know, please. Do we understand how I got x is equal to 3? Okay.
Yes.
So quick recap for those who do not understand. So what we did was we take the 3, we send over the equal sign. It was a +3. Once we have the +3, we send over the equal sign, it becomes a -3. So we have 36 minus 3. Again, we have 36 minus 3. And what is 36 minus 3? That's gonna give us what? 33, right? So we have
Yes,
11.
sir.
So we have 11x is equal to 33. We want to get rid of this 11. We don't want nothing on this side. We just want the x on this side. So we're gonna get rid of this 11 by dividing both sides by 11. Remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the next. So we divide both sides by 11. If we divide this side by 11, to keep it balanced, we have to divide this side by 11. So 11 divided by 11, they cancel, give us 1. So it's gonna be x. And 33 divided by 11 is gonna be 3. So x is equal to 3. So what does that mean? That means that this x is 3, this x is 3, this x is 3, and this x is also 3. That's what that is telling us. So the equation that is solved tells us the value of x. All right, does that make sense to y'all? Let me know. Let me know if that makes sense. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, so what I want you to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, everyone, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I said it because everyone should have been writing. So take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. Good. Jamari Evans. Where's Jamari?
Yes, sir. I gonna send the work now.
Okay. Jed Monroe, do you understand this? Jed Monroe, do you understand this? Jed
Yes, I
Monroe.
understand. I send you a picture of my work.
Good. And Joshua Smith, do you understand this? There's Joshua Smith. Joshua Smith. There's Joshua Smith. Can't hear from Joshua. Kamara Knowles. Where's Kamara? Do you understand this, Kamara?
Yes, sir.
Good. Kamaya Murphy, do you understand this? Kamaya Murphy.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Carly C, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Kelvin Gordon, do you understand this? Kelvin Gordon.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Kanan, do you understand this? What's Kanan? Kanan Higgs, can you hear me? Yes, Kanan. Kylia, have you written this down as yet? Has everyone sent me their work? as yet? Let me know, please.
Sir.
Let me
Yeah,
know.
so
Take a picture of it and send it to me by your
I
WhatsApp.
have.
Just send it to you on WhatsApp.
Just send it to me on WhatsApp. Good. Very good. So this is a good question to do. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, and I'm gonna see if y'all still be able to get it. All right. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I want to see if I'll be able to get it. So it's not gonna be exactly like this, with the guava feel and everything. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit and see if you get Dorcia. Where's Dorcia? Dorcia, can you hear me? Dorcia, can you hear me? Can from Dorcia? Dorcia, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, you say you don't understand? Which part don't you understand?
The bottom.
The bottom. So you understand how we got the 11x plus 3?
Uh-huh.
You understand why we set it equal to 36?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good, because
Excuse-
this is the perimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, how do we solve this? So basically, all we did. Go ahead, Tyler.
Can you use the bathroom?
Yes, we can. So we have 11x plus 3, Dorcia. So we send the 3 over the equal sign. When we send the 3 over the equal sign, it was positive 3. Now it becomes what?
-3.
Negative 3. So we have 36 minus 3, which gives us what?
33.
33. Very good. So we have 11x is equal to 33. So 11x equal to 33. What we have to do now is we have to divide both sides by
11.
11. So 11, we divide both sides by 11. And that means that 33 also is going to be divided by 11. So what is 33 divided by 11? That gives us what?
3.
3. So that's why x is equal to 3. That makes sense? Still need a little bit more. Still need a little bit more practice,
So-
right?
Yes, sir.
So okay, that's fine. So you're not gonna get it on the first go, some of you. Just need a little bit more practice to be able to get it because it's a lot of steps. All right. Okay, so let's do another one, but not exactly like this, right? We're gonna do another one, say, to, just help for you to see it in a different way. Okay. Call this number 2. All right. Call this number 2. And say we have all this, so move that. Yeah, let's call this example number 2. So we're gonna draw this triangle. By the way, what type of triangle is this? What type of triangle is this? What type of triangle is this? No.
Scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle. There's a specific name for this. Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles. Isosceles.
Okay, let me help y'all.
it's a right angle triangle.
Very good. It's a right angle triangle. Who said that?
Antoinette.
Very good. It's a right angle triangle. So when we say right angle triangle, what do we mean? What is this side? So what does this angle measure? That's gonna be
90
what?
degrees.
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Very good. And that's how you know it's a right angle triangle. This side or this angle measures 90 degrees, exactly 90 degrees, straight up. Okay, so we have this right angle triangle, and they want us to go ahead. Daria, read the question for me, please. Daria. We can't hear you. Sound very muffled. You sound very muffled.
The perimeter of a distance is 60
You still sound muffled. You still sound muffled. Do you have like? Oh.
The perimeter of this shape is 60 cm. Find the value of x.
Very good. D'Angelo Evans. Where's D'Angelo?
Yeah.
Good. So D'Angelo, read this question for me, please.
4x centimeters, 9x centimeters. Oh, I doing it right?
Read the question, the perimeter.
The perimeter of this shape is 60 centimeters. Find the value of x.
Very good. And one more person, Dinaj, read this question for me, please.
The perimeter of this shape is 60 centimeters. Find the value of x.
Very good. So we want to find the value of x. We want to find the value of x, right? So you want to do. Okay. So how are we gonna do this? So anyone have any ideas? Anyone have any ideas? I see I can't. Can I read, please? Yes, you
Do
can
we
read.
add? Do we like? How do I say it? Like first, do we like some?
Want the right direction?
Do we simplify it first or no?
Yes, we do. So first, right? Remember how we did it in the other questions, right? We have to basically find the perimeter of this. So we know we're gonna go with 4x. We're gonna start with 4x. It's gonna be 4x, right? So 4x plus what? Plus what? 9x. Y'all need helping me? What's the next one I'm gonna put?
Plus 7x.
Plus 7x. Plus 7x. Very good. That is the expression for the perimeter, because that is referencing all of the sides. We have 4x, 4x, 9x, 9x, and then 7x, 7x. The thing about it is that they told us that the perimeter of this shape is 60 degrees. Okay, I mean 60 centimeters. So that means that we could immediately put the equal sign, because remember, we could form an equal sign. So it's gonna be equal to, what we're gonna put equal to what?
60.
Equal to 60, very good. Now that we have equal to 60, all we need to do now is simplify and solve. And so we have to add all the like terms. So what are the like terms there? We have 4x plus 9x, which gives us what?
13x.
13x. Very good. 13x plus 7x. So all I did was bring this down. I changed that. And I'm just gonna bring down the equal to 60 as well. It's gonna be equal to 60. Now what am I
Just to
gonna
make
do?
it clear, you got 60 from 60 centimeters, right?
Yes, that's where I got 60 from. That's the perimeter. All right. So what we have? We have 13x plus 7x. It's gonna give me what?
Excuse me. Can I use the bathroom,
20x.
please?
20x.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. So 13x plus 7x is gonna be 20x. 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 Very good. So I have 20x is equal to 60. All right, now let's quickly recap how we got 20x. All we did was we said, right, 4x plus 9x, so it gives us 13x. When we add them to 4x plus 9x is 13x. We bring down the 7x. So we have 13x plus 7x, right? And so we say 13x plus 7x. But remember, we still put it equal to 60 because that's the perimeter. That's the perimeter they gave us. So if they give you the perimeter, you can put that equal to the algebraic expression. That's expression for the perimeter. When we add them, 13x plus 7x, we get 20x, and 20x is equal to 60. Are we done? Are we completed? Let me know if we have finished or we still have more work to do. Are we done?
No,
We
so
still
we have to find x.
No, sir.
No, we are not. So how are we gonna find x? What are we gonna do? How are we gonna find x?
20x over 20 and 60 over 20.
Very good. So we're gonna divide both sides by 20. So we have 20x is equal to 60. Divide both sides by 20. Divide both sides by 20. 20 cancels over 20, so we left with what? X is equal to what? 60 divided by 20?
30, 3.
60 divided by 20. Now with 60 divided by 20, we could simplify it to 6 divided by 3. And what is 6 divided by 3? That's gonna be x is equal to, what is 6 divided by, not 3, 6 divided by 2. Sorry. What is 6 divided by 2?
3. How did you get?
3.
3? Yeah, 3.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
How did you get 20 over 20?
Very good. So what we did here is that we realized that we have 20x is equal to 60. So whatever number in front of the x, we divide by that number. Like if you notice here, right? Answer that. If 11 was in front of x, so we divide by 11, right? To get 11 divided by 11. Here, whatever number is in front of x, we divide by that number. So 20 divided by 20, they cancel out, that give us x here, which is equal to 16 divided by 20. That's why we have 20 divided by 20. That makes sense? Something like that. Something like that. All it is that whatever number is in front of an x, that's what you divide. That's what you use. That's the number you use to divide.
That's the number you divide by whatever
That's the
in front of x?
whatever number in front of x, yes. That's the number you
Yes,
divide. Yeah. Okay. So we say 20 divided by 20. Right? Cancel. So we have x is equal to 60 divided by 20. And what is 60 divided by 20?
Three.
Say it again. What is 60 divided by 20?
3.
3. Very good. 60 divided by 20 is 3. And we could prove that because, you know, if we want to actually prove it, you could say 60 divided by 20. And you know that, you know, once you do 60 divided by 20, the zeros are going to cancel it, right? So we basically have 6 divided by 2. What is 6 divided by 2? Well, that's 3. So that's how we know x is 3 is correct. And so what that means that this side is 4 times 3, which is 12. This side is 9 times 3, which is 27. This side is 7 times 3, which is 21. And then add all them up. And then we get 60.
Quick question.
Mr.
Yes?
Petit, you want us to send this via WhatsApp?
Yes. Take a picture of this and send to me via WhatsApp.
The 90 degrees, right?
Go ahead.
The 90 degrees. What about that?
The 90 degrees, we don't use that in this question.
Excuse me. For example, right there, what you have by the shape. You have 20. You have 60 over 20, and then you cross over 2 zeros, and you have equal 3.
Yes.
Did you take away 6? Take away 2?
No. No, I do 6 divided by 2.
Oh, 6 divided by 2. Oh, okay.
Yes,
okay,
6
okay.
divided by
Excuse
2.
me, Miss Petit.
Yes, go ahead.
Are we supposed to add the 90 degrees inside of the answer too?
No, not for this one. Now, we are not doing geometry. Okay, not for this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So, okay, so what are any questions on this? How I got the 3? Any questions? Let me know if you all have any questions on this. Some people might have a question and they don't want to ask, but let me know. Don't be shy. If you do not have any questions, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp if you do not have any questions. All right. If you don't have any questions, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Mr. Petit, you mind going over it one more time?
Okay, no problem. So what I did was, which part in particular?
If you don't mind the whole thing.
The whole thing? Okay. So we have, so first we have, well, 4x. 4x comes from here, so it's going to be 4x right there. Then we have a 9x that comes from here. Then we have 7x. So we get the 4x, the 9x, and the 7x from the triangle itself. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Then we set it equal to 60 because the perimeter is 60. That's why we set it equal to 60. They give us this value, so we set it equal to that. Remember, we're writing an equation, right? And equations have equal sign. Okay. And so we have, now we just add. So 9x plus 4x is going to be 13x. And 13x plus 7x is going to be 20x. So we have 20x is equal to 60. Now, this is very important right here. Some people may be confused here, but basically all we're going to do is divide both sides by 20 because 20 is the number in front of x, and we always divide by the number in front of x. So it's going to be 20 divided by 20, so x is going to be equal to, and whatever we do to this side, we have to do this side. So 20 divided by 20, we also divide 60 by 20, and when we do 60 divided by 20, we get that x is equal to 3. And that's how we do it. Is that clear? Yes, go ahead.
So what if the x is in front of the number?
What if x is in front of the number? Like, give me an example.
Like x 20.
No, we always write it. We always write it with the number in front. We never put the number. We never put the variable in the front. All right.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, good. All right, so move right along. So we're gonna move on from this. I think we could do one more example of that, eh? Can we? Let's do one more example like that, just to jog your memory. Make sure you all understand what's happening. It's 6, yeah, we'll give you 6:47. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So it's gonna be examples. Example 4. This is example 3, right? I say an example 4. Example 3. All right. So for example 3, we're gonna draw again our triangle. And for this one, we gotta formulate our numbers. So it's not gonna be 4x again. Let's just use 5x. Say this is 5x. Let's say for the thrill of it that this is 10x. Okay. Let's say that this is 4x. And so when we add them all together, we have, let me see something. That's 5 plus 10 plus 4, 19. Okay, let's make this 5. Okay. Let's make them both 5. Let me do this as 7. Let's see. Yeah, 7. Okay, cool. So I think we're good. So we have 5, we have 10, we have 7. Okay, so now the same question. They say that we need to find the perimeter value. It's not find the perimeter, we need to find the value of x. All right, so let's write that down. So we have to change this perimeter value. I don't think it's going to be 60 anymore. So let's do let's do 100 and yeah, let's do 88. Cool. All right, so this should be simple enough. So what I want you to do is I want you to answer this and put your answer inside the chat for me. Put your answer inside the chat.
Why do you have 60 and 88?
That's wrong. Just 88. Good. So I want you to try this on your own and put your answer inside the chat. If you're having troubles, just let me know. But try it on your own and put your answer inside the chat. Obviously, we should do top 5 or top 10. What should we do?
Top 10.
Top 10? Okay, top 10 will be recognized. Do this for me. Write it down. Work it out. Put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Put your answer inside the chat. All right, put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Again, put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Go ahead.
You see my answer?
Yes, I see it. I see it. I see it. Amari King. Where's Amari King?
Yes, sir.
Read the question for me, please. The perimeter.
The perimeter of this shape is 88 cm. Find the value of x.
Very good. Very good. So put your answer inside the chat for me, please. I'm seeing certain answers inside the chat. I want y'all to find the value of x. Everyone need to do that. Find the value of x. All right. I only see like a few persons answering, but I want everyone to find the value of x. And then put your answer inside the chat for me.
Mr. Petit, do you have to simplify it?
Yes, you have to simplify it. And you also have to set it equal to 88.
Okay.
Right? Put your answer inside the chat. Anyone got an answer for this? 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 You did? Only 2 persons? Anyone else?
Me.
Okay. You did? All right. So what's the first step? By the way, what y'all got for this?
22.
I mean the value x is equal to what?
X equals 4.
X equals to 4. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Everyone got x equal to 4, or someone got something different?
Yes, sir.
Who got something
I got
different?
4.
I got something different.
What you got?
22.
22. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this question, right? So we have to add them, right? So it's gonna be what? 5x. So we're gonna do 5x, right? 5x plus what? Plus 10x, right? Plus what? 7x, right?
Excuse me. I get 4.
You get 4? Oh, very good. So we're gonna set this equal to what? Class, we're gonna set this equal to the perimeter, which is 88.
88.
Very good, set it equal to 88. And we have 5 plus 10 is gonna be what?
15.
15, very good, 15x. Very good. Plus what? 7x. We just bring down the 7x. Is equal to, let's bring that down. It's equal to what? 88. We have 15x plus 7x, which gives us what? 15, 16, 7, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Very good. We got 22. We got 22x is equal to what? 88.
88.
Very good. Now, class, what we're gonna do at this point? What are we gonna
You're
do at this
gonna
point?
Divide.
Divide both sides by what?
22.
22.
Very good. Divide both sides by 22. So we have 22x is equal to 88. So it's gonna be 22. So we divide both sides by 22. Okay, divide both sides by 22. We cancel this with that. So we have x is equal to, what is 88 divided by 22?
4.
4, very good. So that's how I got 4. Anyone else got 4 besides me? Anyone else got 4?
Yeah, 4.
I didn't.
Yeah, 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Only 3 persons got
Me.
4. Anyone else got 4? Anyone else got 4? Actually got the 4.
Also,
Me.
Got
Just
4?
say the top 10, please.
You want me to say the top 10? You believe you're part of the top 10?
I think so.
I think so. Who believe they put your answer?
I would hope so.
Okay. Who think they put their answer in the top 10?
Me.
Okay.
Me.
Okay. And who believe that they're the first one?
Me.
Okay.
Me, I in the top 3.
You're in the top 3, okay. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and right, so we have the first one is gonna be, let's see. We have Terrell was the first one. Terrell.
Yay.
Yeah, he was the first one. Then
Excuse me.
go ahead.
Is algebra and this the same thing, right?
Yes, this is algebra. This perimeter and algebra. All right, so we have Terrell. Then we have, after Terrell, it's Shaddai. Then Rodrigo. Someone mic is on. Okay, good. Someone mic is on. Okay, that's Jamari. So let me say it again. It's up on the top. It is Terrell, Shaddai, Rodrigo, Tamaya, Nakisha, Tyler, Sharonique, Kamara, Nalia, and Acacia, and one more person, and Malia Lockhart. Those were the people that- Malaya Lockhart. Malaya Lockhart.
Yeah.
Good. All right, so what I want you to do is take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I did send you a message yesterday.
Send me a message yesterday. Who's that speaking?
Nakisha.
Nikisha? You sent me a message? Okay, send me it again, please. I don't remember. Send me it in this chat. No one will see it. All right, so we have one more example to do. one more example to do. And then I want us to do a quiz, and then we can move on from this. All right, one more example. It's 6:58. Yeah, we have to hurry up to work with. Okay, so with this example, you do not have to write this down. Do not write this down. I repeat, do not write this down. We just doing it, right? We just working through it. So basically, I just want y'all to think about it. So for this one, right, like I said, you're not writing this down. We just going through these problems. So for this one, they said, write down an expression for the distance around the field. So how are we gonna get that? Obviously, all we're gonna do is we're gonna say x, see x there. Then we have x plus 7. We have x plus 7 here. Then we have 9x, right? But 9x there. And then we have x plus 4, x minus 4. That's how we get the x minus 4 there. So that's how we got this first one, the distance around the field. That's good. Then they say simplify your answer. All we need to do is add up all the x's. So this is 1x, this is 2x. 2x plus 9x is going to be 11x, and 11x plus 1x is 12x. That's how we got the 12x here. And then we take the 7 and then we minus it with 4. So 7 minus 4, that gives us the 3. So we get 12x minus 12x plus 3. That's how we got this one. So basically all we're doing was write an expression and simplify it. But for this one, they want us to find the distance around the field. They say the distance around the field is 63. So we want to write an equation for that. If we want to write an equation for that, we're just going to say 12x plus 3 is equal to 63. Now, if we have 12x plus 3 is equal to 63, then how are we going to solve that? Well, in order for us to solve it, what we're going to do is, remember we have 12x plus 3 is equal to 63. So in order for us to solve that, let me go here and let's go here and put this here. So let's actually get a dark color. So let's say we have, yeah, solid. So again, we have, what they give us? They give us that 12x, right? 12x plus what? Plus 3 is equal to what? Is equal to 63. So what we have to do, class, in order to answer this or solve this, we have to do, what's the first step?
The 12 by itself and move the 3 over the equal sign.
And it become negative.
Very good. So it's going to be what? So we say 12x.
Negative 12.
12x is equal to what?
63.
63.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. And we have 12x is equal to 63 minus 3. What is 63 minus 3?
60.
60, very good. Good, 60. So we have to do divide both sides by? Divide both sides
12.
by? Very good, divide both sides by 12. Equals to 60.
Please.
Yes, we can. Divide both sides by 12, right? So we're gonna cancel this 12 with that 12. So we have that x is equal to, what is 60 divided by 12? 60 divided by 12.
5.
5, very good. So x is equal to 5. And that's how we got this 5 right here. X is equal to 5. So that's how we got that. Right, so just pay attention to that right there. So x is equal to 5, that's how we got that. All right. Any questions on this before I move it? Again, you're not writing this down. We already have this. So.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
May I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, we can. So since you all got this, let me clear all drawings. Let's do it at the other side. So we have, for the other side, we have x. So we have x. Then we have x plus 6. So x plus 6. Then we have 2x, which is 2x here. Then we have x minus 2, x minus 2. All right. Now all we need to do is we need to combine all the like terms. So it's gonna be what? X, which is 1x. Then it's gonna be 2x. And this is gonna be, what is 2x plus 2x? That's gonna be what? 4x. And then 4x plus 1x is gonna be 5x. That's why this is 5x. And then when we just do the numbers, it's gonna be 6 minus 2. So it's gonna be 5x plus 4, because 6 minus 2 is 4. Now they say that the distance around the field is 124 meters. And using your answer from I, write the equation to show this information. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the equation, the algebraic expression, set it equal to 124. So we have 5x plus 4 is equal to 124. All right. And so now all we need to do now is what? We need to solve for
Simplify.
x. So yeah, solve for x. So we're gonna go ahead and solve x there. So to solve x, we're gonna say this might not be a good color because it might be too bright. Some of y'all. So we're gonna say 5x plus 4 is equal to 124. All right. What's the first thing we're gonna do? We're gonna send the 4 over the equal sign. So we have 5x is equal to 124. We have the positive sign here. When we send it over, it becomes a negative, right? Yeah. So it's going to be 5x is equal to what? 120. Very good. And then we divide both sides by 5. So we have 5x divided by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So we have 120 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5. Again, whatever in front of the x, we divide by. Right? Whatever in front of the x, we divide by.
Mr. Petit, what subject name?
RK and social. Social first and then RK. And so we have 120 divided by 5, which gives us what? What is 120 divided by 5?
24.
24. Very good. And so that's how we got 24 there. That's how we got the 24. Here, x is equal to 24. So that's how we do it. Any questions on this, please? Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions.
No, sir.
No? All right. So what I want you to do is, you're not supposed to write this. So let's go ahead and do the quiz quickly. Someone say they can't speak. So I'm gonna put the quiz inside the chat so we could be able to. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. All right. All right.
What Stanley was saying in our voice, no?
All right.
He was saying
So make sure your mic is muted because we can hear your conversation. All right. We don't want to hear your conversation. All right. So let's go ahead and do this quiz quickly, and then we can move on. So with this quiz is you have to be careful because it can be, what shall I say? It can be a little bit difficult if you're not paying attention to what's happening. But once you're paying attention to what's happening, you should be good. All right. Once you're paying attention, you should be good. All right. So please take a picture of the previous notes. If you don't have them already, take a picture of the previous notes. Like I said, you didn't have to write that last that last thing I just did, the previous
I
note.
don't have notes because I just joined.
That's who?
Deshaun.
Okay, you see what's on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you write that down. You're gonna need to write that down then. The persons who
Yes, sir.
the persons who were
The
here
first
already.
one?
Both of them. Both of them. That'll be your examples.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're gonna quickly move from this. I'm gonna put it inside the chat for us to get. Okay, so we're gonna say all right, so once you start the quiz, again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the quiz. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside of the quiz. It's gonna be quiz number 1. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the quiz, inside the chat. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat.
Mr. Petit, can you go back, please, to the examples?
Yes, I can. I go back.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, good. I need everyone to do this. Take a picture. Everyone should be doing the quiz. Everyone should be doing the quiz. Everyone should be doing the quiz. All righty. Everyone should be doing the quiz. All right. Again, put started inside the chat. Again, put started inside the chat for me once you've started this quiz. All right. Again, put started inside the chat once you started this quiz. All right. So let me check the. I definitely need to check the. I need to check the grades, see how y'all doing. But you're gonna try to aim for at least 80%, at least. All right, at least 80%. At least 80%, at the very least. All right, make sure I do that. All right, let's see how we're doing. Everyone should be doing the quiz right now. Everyone should be doing the quiz right now.
I'll try to do it now.
Yeah, you could look at the it's similar to what we ended off with yesterday. So if you're paying attention to the last half of what we did yesterday, it's basically the same thing.
Yes, sir. I'll try to do it now.
Yeah, no problem. All right. Let me check and see. This is out of 34. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is a long quiz. It's out of 34. And let's see. But it's not something that y'all would be unfamiliar with, right? I see some people already finished. That's very good. Daria got 34 to 34. Excellent. Kamara got 32 to 34. That's also very good. So that's definitely a pass for those two students. Very good. Okay. Good. 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 All right. All righty. Let me see. Someone might need the. Oh, I need the. I'm gonna resend the quiz to y'all. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Daria. Okay, so let me go ahead and. Okay, so let's look at the persons who did pretty well. Very good, Khadijah. 35 out of 34 to 34. Okay, so the lowest that you could get, is sort of 30, let's say 30 over 34. The lowest you could get is, let's say 28 or 34. No, yeah, I think, yeah, 28. If you get anything lower than 28, yeah, if you get anything lower than 28, you have to redo your quiz. So very good, Nakisha Williams. Very good, Nalia Store. Very good, Charanik, China, Terrell, Shaddai, Tyler. By the way, all these people who have name, all of them got 100. Nalia, Sharanik, China, Terrell, Shaddai, Tyler, and Cleveland. In that order, all of them got 100. And Nikisha, all of them got 100. Very good. Very good. That's exceptional, I must admit. Okay. Nalia, Nikisha, Daria, China, Latavia, and company. I sent you all some other stuff to do. Please make sure that you complete those as well, besides this one. Chai, you're part of that group as well, and Jasmine as well, and Sharonik and Dorcia. So make sure you all do that, what I sent you all. Okay. And when you do it, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Nakisha and Nalia and the rest of those, and everyone who won the quizzes. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead. Very good. Rashadane and Malia Roll. Now, Natasha Charlton, you have the redo your quiz. You have the redo your quiz. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Very good. Very good. Sion Fraser, you have the redo your quiz. Albert, excellent job. Malia Malia Lockhart, very good. Exceptional. Brene, exceptional. You passed as well. Still waiting on the rest of the results from the rest of us. Devontae, have you started the quizzes yet? Devontae.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's on that.
Okay, so unfinished. Okay, good. Okay, like I said, whenever you all do the quizzes, you all have to take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, whenever you all do the quizzes, take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Always do that. Only some people just do that. Some people they do all type quizzes and they haven't sent me one screenshot of their grade. All right. All right. Very good. Rodrigo, you have to redo that quiz. Rodrigo, you have to redo that quiz. But very good, Renee Sweeting. Very good, Lakesia. Very good. Carly C, you have to redo your quiz. Joshua Smith, redo your quiz. Kamaya Murphy, excellent job. Natasha Charlton, excellent job. Denisha Lewis, very good. All right. How did y'all do in your quizzes? Let me know. How did y'all do? Is anyone finished with it? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. That's only one person. The rest of us will be done with the quiz. The quizzes. Bernard Rule.
I'm on number 4.
Number 4. Bernard Rule, Brianna Clark. The rest of us. I'm speaking to everyone. Are y'all done with the quizzes? Let me know, please.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir, I still do.
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Right. Right. Latavia, go ahead.
We supposed to be doing 1 or 2 quizzes.
Just one. Just one. You finished the
Alright.
first one? You finished the first one? Because both of them are the same thing.
Yes,
I sent 2 because I sent 2 because some people might come out in and out, but it's the same quiz. It's the same quiz.
Yes, sir.
Right? Very good, Chai. Very good, Amari. Very good, Rodrigo. Okay, so the rest of us, I think most of us are done with the quizzes based on the grades I see. That's good. So what I need us to do now is to move on from this. So we're gonna move on. So this is gonna be a beginning of. So we did all that. That's very good. I like that we touched that. So what I want us to do is I want us to look at these sort of questions. And we're gonna do one of them today, and then let's see how far we can get with it, right? So let's go ahead and begin. So it doesn't always have to be like most of our examples so far has been, just what should I say? Trapezium looking, trapezoidal looking shapes, but it doesn't have to be like that. It could be a different shape. So let's write down this example for me. So example, I think it's example number, let's just say another example. Say examples. So I don't know which example this is. So this could be our first example of this particular type of question. So we could use a triangle, all right? Obviously it's a 3-sided polygon. It's the smallest.
We have to draw this?
Yes, you have to draw this. We are actually drawing this one. So everyone should be writing this down. And then I'm going to do something interesting with this. I'm going to put this bar on the side here. All right, and I'm going to put this next bar on the side here. Now, what does that bar mean? Since both of them have the bars, what does the bar
The
mean?
sides are equal.
Say it again for me.
The sides are equal.
The sides are equal. Very good. So since both of them have these two lines, that means that both of the sides are equal. So please remember that. And so that's what this line means, the same line. That means that this side and this side are equal, they're congruent to each other. So two sides are equal for this one. Okay, so cool. So now let's go ahead and start labeling this triangle. Start giving it some names. So we're gonna say that, hey, let's call this side. Let me say, put this on the other side of that. So let's
32 out of 34.
say it again.
I got a 32 out of 30.
32 out of. Say it again, Joel.
34.
Very good. 32 or 34 is good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, let's say this is side A. Let's say this is side A, right? And then it's gonna say this is what? This is definitely B, okay? Okay, and then this is obviously C. So we have A, B, C, all right? We have the vertices of this triangle named, right? Or labeled. Okay. And then we're gonna start adding our algebra stuff. So we're gonna say that this side is X. This side right there is X. And we're gonna say that this side here is not X, but it's gonna be X plus 5. So X plus 5. X plus 5. X plus 5, sorry. All right, so we have X, we have X plus 5. And so we're trying to figure out how we're gonna basically finish this. All right. All right, so okay, so let's see. So let's look at the first question. What type of triangle is this? What type of triangle is this? Anyone have an idea of what type of triangle is
Equilaterals?
this? Not equilateral, no. Not equilateral. What type of triangle is this? Anyone can answer? What type of triangle is this?
Isosceles?
Who said isosceles?
Amari?
Why you say isosceles?
Because two sides are the same.
Because two sides are equal. Very good. I think the TP also said that as well. Very good. So this is definitely an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. So because we have this bar and this bar, that means that the two sides are equal. And so let's go ahead and write that down in the question. So we have, we say, right? We say, so it's going to be part A. All right, so let's go ahead, part A. Be part A. All right, good. So let's go ahead and do this. This is going to be our question. Let me number it. It's going to be question number 1 in this section, this new section. All right. Good. So go ahead, Christopher. Where's Christopher? Christopher, can you hear me? Where's Christopher? Where's Christopher? Can't have him, Christopher. Benjamin, where's Benjamin?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and read down this question for me, please.
triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is x centimeters long and AC is x plus 5 centimeters long. State the length of BC.
Good. Chad Monroe, read this question for me, please. Chad Monroe.
Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is x centimeters long, and AC is x plus 5 centimeters long. State the length of BC.
Very good. Very good. Good. So you want to figure out the length of BC. So you want to figure out the length of BC, right? How are we going to figure out the length of BC? BC is this side, right up. So what's going to be this length, BC? Right? It's going to be this length, BC. Let's put it right now. Any ideas? What is going to be the length of BC?
Whatever the length is of AB.
Whatever the length of AB. Someone said it.
XCM.
XCM. Very good. XCM. Very good. Very good. Because if this is x, right, centimeters, if AB is x centimeters, which we know, and we know that both sides are equal, then that means that this must also be x centimeters. All right, so the length of BC is going to be x centimeters. Class, does that make sense to y'all, or y'all lost?
Yes, sir.
Does this make sense?
Yes, sir.
Does this make sense? The rest of us, does this make sense? Let me know, please, if this makes sense to you. Let me know if this makes sense.
Why?
It's
Why is the length of BC?
yeah, it's both sides.
Okay, very good, Joel. The rest of us, why? Do y'all understand this so far? The rest of us, let me know.
No, sir.
Who said no? Someone said
Kamaya.
Kamaya. Okay, so Kamaya, you understand that both? Do you understand that this is an isosceles triangle, right? It says it right there. Right?
Yes, sir.
What do we know about an isosceles triangle?
They're equal.
Both sides are equal. So if this is x centimeters, which it is, it tells us x centimeters, then if both sides are equal, this must also be x centimeters as well. So that's why the answer is x centimeters. We don't know what x is, so we just can put x centimeters. We don't know what it is yet. That makes sense? That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so that means that this is x centimeters, so let's put that. So it's x centimeters, so it's gonna be, let's put that inside the diagram, right? So the diagram gonna appear complete. So we're gonna put x centimeters here, just so it could look like, okay, we know what we're talking about. And it makes sense because these two sides must be identical to each other. Okay, now let's move on from that and let's go ahead and let's do B. Okay, let's do B. Let's do B. Cool. So let's go ahead and we have, go ahead. Isis, are you there? Isis, can you hear me? Where's Isis? Isis, can you hear me? Can I have Jamari Evans? Can you hear me? Jamari Evans.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead and read the part B. Start from the perimeter.
Form an equation for the perimeter of the triangle.
No, start from the perimeter of the triangle is.
The perimeter of the triangle is 32 centimeters. Form an equation for the perimeter of the triangle.
Very good. Very good. And go ahead. Kelvin Gordon, read this. Start from the perimeter.
The perimeter of the triangle is 32 centimeters. Form an equation for the perimeter of the triangle.
Very good. And Kamara, read it for me as well.
The perimeter of the triangle is 32 centimeters.
Form an equation for the perimeter of the triangle.
Equation. By the way, thank you. Those who read equation. What do we mean by equation? What must we have when we have an equation?
An equal sign and an answer.
An equal sign. Very good. So you must have an equal sign when you have an equation. All right. Equal sign and an equation. So say form an equation. All right. So what that means that we're gonna do what? We're gonna say what? X
plus X.
So X plus what?
X
Plus X.
plus X plus 5.
Very good. Plus X plus 5. So X plus X plus X plus 5. It's equal to what? It's equal to
32 centimeters.
32. Why 32? Why 32? Why 32?
Because that's the perimeter.
That's the perimeter. Very good. That's the perimeter. So we have X plus, oh, sorry. So we have X plus X plus 5 is equal to 32. And so let me go ahead and erase this. So let me put it in a simple way. So again, we have X. So we have X plus X plus X plus. So X plus X plus X plus 5 is equal to 32. Right? And that's how we're going to get that. Any questions so far on what we have done? Any questions so far on what we have done? Let me know, please. So far, what we have done. Any questions? Leandre Clark, do you understand this so far? Leandre Clark, do you understand this? Kenneth, Leandre. Kylia, do you understand this? Yes, Leandre, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Nehemiah, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Gracia, do you understand this? Where's Gracia? Gracia, can you hear me? Gracia, can you hear me? Where's Gracia?
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Do you understand this, Gracia?
Yes, sir.
And Gina, do you understand this? Gina?
Kind of.
Kind of? Okay, so what we did here is that we got the X centimeters. We got the X centimeters. We're gonna X plus 5. That's all we did. That's all we did. So we have, again, X plus X plus X plus 5. Then we set it equal to 32. All right, and that's how we form this equation. Does that make a little bit more sense? At least a little bit more sense. Okay. So now, did anyone solve X yet? Anyone solve X yet? Anyone solve X yet? No one has solved X's yet? No one? No one? That's surprising. So we have part C, which is going to be solve an equation in B for X. So we're going to solve X. So what do we have? We have...
I saw it just now.
You solve it? What you got for X?
X equals 9.
X equals to 9. Anyone else got something for X besides her? Anyone else got? What you got?
9.
9. All right. Anyone else got something? So it's gonna be. So we
I
have.
got 9.
You got 9. Very
I got
good.
9.
Very good. So we have X plus X, right? So X plus X plus x plus 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 32. That's we start off first, right? Then we're gonna simplify it through. So we say x plus x plus x gives me what? 3x, right? Plus what? Plus 5 is gonna be equal to 32. All right, so again, we have x plus x plus x, which gives me 3x, all right? Plus 5, which gives me equal to 32. All right, so now remember, we want to solve for x. So what is the next thing we're gonna do, class? We're gonna solve x. So we're gonna do now at this point.
5 from the 32.
Say it again.
Subtract 5 from the 32.
Very good. So we're gonna send 5 over the equal sign. It was a positive 5, class. When we send it over, it becomes a what?
Negative.
Not just one person, even though we very grateful, Conrad, but I want the other person's to answer. When we send the 5 over the equal sign, what happens?
It becomes
negative.
It becomes a negative. Very good. And so that means is that we have 3x is equal to 32 minus 5. So we have 3x is equal to, what is 32 minus 5? 32 minus 5. What do I get when I subtract it?
27.
27? 27, that's what you got? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 27. Anyone else got a different answer from 27? Something different?
Yes, it's 27.
27? Okay, yes. 27, 27. Let me see. Let me verify that. Yes, 27. Very good. 27. So what that means is that we're going to put 27 on this side. So it's going to be 27 right here.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
A quick question, right? So you say
Yeah.
you're doing the triangles in the the isosceles triangles, right?
Uh-huh.
When it comes to the trapezoid and stuff, where you already have the perimeter, I feel like I get lost. I don't know why, even though it's the same thing. I feel like I get lost, but I know how to do this one, but I just get lost on the
on the trapezium. Okay, maybe because this is less steps, maybe. But like I say, as you do it more and more and more, the better you will get. All right. So what we have here is this is going to be 3x is equal to 27. So what we're gonna do? Divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by
3.
Divide both sides by 3. So it's gonna be 3x is equal to 27. We divide both sides by 3 to get rid of the 3x, to get rid of the 3 in front of the x. So x could be by itself. So it's going to be divide by 3.
That's 1.
Divide by 3. Yeah. So this
That's
cancels. Very good. So x is equal to what?
1.
No, x is equal to
9.
X is equal to
9.
9. What is 27 divided by 3?
9.
9. Very good.
9.
9. Very good. Anyone else understand how we got 9? Do you understand how we got 9? Let me know. If you understand how we got it. I still only 3%. The rest of you, do you all understand how I got 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand how you get 9.
Who's that speaking? Gracia? Okay. All right. No problem. So do you understand how we got this one? Do you understand how we got that? Like this part? No?
What is that?
Okay, so what we did was we said this is X, right? And then this is X. And this is X, right? Then this is X. And then this is X plus 5. X plus 5. So we're gonna put X plus 5 there. Right? And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it equal to 32. Now the reason why we set it equal to 32 is because 32 is the perimeter. That's the relationship that we have. All right, so it's gonna be 32. So we have therefore X plus X plus X plus X plus 5. So X plus X plus X plus 5 is equal to 32. That's what we have at this first instance. But we have to simplify it, and then we have to form the equation in B. All right, so you have to simplify it first, and then form the equation in B. So let's go ahead and simplify it. So we have X plus X plus X plus X. What is X plus X plus X, class? What is that? That's gonna be what?
3x.
3x, very good.
3x.
3x. Bring down the 5. Obviously, you have to send the 5 over the equal sign. When we send the 5 over the equal sign, it becomes what?
A negative number.
It becomes a negative number, very good. So it's gonna be 32 minus 5, which gives us what? 32 minus 5 gives us what? 27. 27, very good. And then we divide both sides by 3. So we say 3 here, 3 here. So X is gonna be equal to 27 divided by 3, which gives us 9. All right. Do we understand this? Let me know, please, if you all understand this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. Very good, excellent. So what I want you to do is take a picture of your work, of your notes, and send it to me via WhatsApp. Everyone should be doing that because everyone was writing. So take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. Everyone should be doing this. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Sion, where's Sion? Sion, can you hear me? Where's Sion? Cleveland, can you hear me? Where's Cleveland?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Have you sent in your workers yet?
Yes, sir.
That's good. We have Kylia. Have you sent in your workers yet? Kylia? Kylia? Kylia. Kiana from Kylia. Kanan, have you sent in your workers yet? Kanan? Kanan? Lamaya, have you sent in your work? Lamaya? Lamaya?
Yes, sir, I sent it.
And you understand how to do this example?
Yep. Yes, sir.
That's
I do.
good. That's good. Okay. China, you understand this?
You say China?
China, yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Benjamin Moore, Major, do you understand this, Benjamin?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Bernard Lightburn, do you understand this? Bernard Lightburn, do you understand this? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So that's how it goes. So everyone should take a picture of their work and send it to me via WhatsApp. If you've already done that, then we can move on to the next one. Okay, move on to the next one. All right, so for the next one, we have, let me do this quickly. So we have, the next one, we have, let's say we have This is gonna be, oh, there's one thing I missed from this. We didn't solve what is A, B, A, C, and so on. So let's do that. Let's do that. So what does this mean? We know that x is equal to 9. Okay, so we're gonna use that idea to basically get our answers. All right. So good. All right, so we have AB. AB is equal to x. But the class, what is x? X is what? X is
9.
X is 9. So what is AB actually?
9 cm.
Yes, very good. AB is 9 centimeters. So AB is 9 centimeters. Then we have BC. What is going to be the length of BC? If both of them are x's, it's going to be what?
9 centimeters.
9 centimeters. Very good. So 9 centimeters. And then AC is going to be from here to here. All right. And so what is AC? AC is going to be what? X plus 5. So it's going to be what? 9 plus what?
14.
9
plus 5.
14. Oh, what is 9 plus? 9 plus 5. Let's go ahead and calculate that. So it's going to be
14 cm.
9 plus 5. Y'all get 14? Yeah, I got 14 as well.
Yes, sir.
So it's going to be 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. 9 nanometers. And so it's going to be equal to, no, not x. We know what x is, not 9, that, no. X is 9. So all is going to be what? 9 plus 5, which is going to be 14 centimeters. Okay, centimeters. Okay, so centimeters. All right. Y'all understand what's happening here, or y'all don't understand? Let me know, please. Let me know if y'all understand what I'm doing.
I understand.
You understand? Albert Rocks, do you understand what I'm doing? Albert Rocks?
I understand.
Excuse me, Mr. P, you could do a next example, please.
I can. What time is it? It's 7:51. I wonder if I should, because it's 9 minutes too. We could do one more. Let's do one more. All right. So basically, yeah, let's do one more. One more. See if we could squeeze in one more. All right. All right. So it's going to be our last example before we move on to the other one. And so when we come back here tomorrow, we definitely have to do a quiz on this, right? So I'm going to brush over this next week. All right. So for this one, I don't suggest that you write this down, because if you write it down, then you won't have time to actually do the questions. So we're just gonna work through together, and then you just put your answers inside the chat. All right. So for this one, let's go ahead and work through it together, and then we put our answers inside the chat. All right. Let's do that. Cool. So we have okay, so class, we have AB. They say state the length of BC. If we know that AB is x centimeters, it's going to be the length of BC. It's going to be the length of BC. If we say that AB is x centimeters, what's going to be length of BC, class?
X.
X centimeters. Very good. X centimeters. It's going to be x centimeters as well.
Mr. Petit, do we have to write this one down?
You don't have to write this one down, because in the interest of time, right? You could take a screenshot of it if you want. Okay, now, so we have x centimeters. So the answer is going to be x centimeters. Now the perimeter of the triangle is 26 centimeters. The perimeter is 26 centimeters. That's what the perimeter is. Form an equation. Form an equation for the perimeter of the triangle. So the equation for the perimeter is going to be what? X plus what?
X.
Plus X. Very good.
X.
Plus
Plus
X.
8.
So
Plus
plus X.
Equals 26.
Very good. Plus X plus 8. Plus X plus 8 equals to what? 26 centimeters. Very good. 26 centimeters. Good. And then now we just need to solve the equation in B. So we bring them all together. So it's going to be X plus X plus what? Plus X. Right? Plus what? Plus 8. And it's going to be equal to 26. All right, so X plus X plus X is going to be equal to 3X because all of these, when we add them, they give us 3X. So X plus X plus X is 3X plus 8 is equal to 24. 26, sorry. So class, what we're going to do at this point, we're almost done with this one. We're going to do at this point. We're going to send the
8 over.
Send the 8 over, very good. It was a positive 8. When we send it over, it becomes a
Negative 8.
negative 8. So you have 26 minus 8. And it's going to be 3X. And so,
26 minus 18.
and what is 26? What is 26 minus 8? Y'all get what?
18.
18. So it's going to be 3X is equal to 26 minus 8 is 18. All right, so 18. 18, 18, 18. 18. All right, next we divide both sides by 3. So it's going to be cancel. X is equal to 18 divided by 3 is
6.
18 divided by 3 is 6.
6.
So X is 6 centimeters. So if X is 6 centimeters, what is AB? If X is 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters as well. Very good. So this is supposed to be 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters, and then we have BC. BC is what? Whatever AC is, BC is also. All right, so it's gonna be 6 centimeters. Let's say isosceles. Now we have X plus. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Let's go back. All right, so I think we're here. So now we have X is 6, but this is X plus 8. X plus 8. So that's gonna be what? 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 centimeters. That's gonna be 30. What is 6 plus 8? That's gonna be what?
14 centimeters.
14. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, very good, 14. So it's gonna be 14 centimeters. And that's how we go about completing that. So again, we have 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 plus 8 centimeters, and 14. So 6, that means this is 6, this is 6, and 6 plus 8 is 14. This is longer. All right. Okay, good. Does that make sense to y'all? Does this make sense to y'all? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Let me know.
sir.
Let me know. Okay, if it does make sense, put I inside the chat. If it makes sense, put I inside the chat. If it doesn't make sense, put N. Put N. If it makes sense, put I inside the chat. If it doesn't make sense, put N for inside the chat. Let's see. Okay, persons are answering. Again, put I inside the chat if you understand, put N if you do not understand. All right. Some people are still struggling to get inside the classes. All right, so let's see. Okay, good. Everyone's saying I. So that means that everyone get it out and seeing it. And except for the Dorcia, I remember her question. Okay. Gino. Okay, good. Okay, good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a pause to this for right now, and then we're gonna move on to social studies. All right, so we're gonna put a pause, and then go to social studies. Okay. So if you're not doing social studies or religious studies, then you can leave. Have a wonderful weekend. See y'all on Monday.
Are we doing
Good night.
We're doing social studies, then religious studies. So
All right,
again,
I'll stay for social studies and then leave for religion.
no problem. Again, we're doing social studies first. So if you're doing social studies, please stay back. So social studies first and then religion. Okay. Or RK. Okay.
I could leave for social studies and come back for religion, or stay in here for social studies and then just
Yeah, just
be
stay.
back.
Just stay, because you don't wanna go and then have to come. No, just stay. Stay one time. All right. It's still good information. Okay. All right. So we have social studies. So we're gonna crack down on that. Okay. So moving right along. So we've been talking about the AWACS for. Wait, let me go ahead and head up for social studies first, and then we can talk about it on the other side. So let's head up. All right. All right. So let's head up. So we have, my name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025. Subject is, of course, social studies. All right. And the theme, the topic is still doing with AWACS or Lucayans. All right. All right, so let me highlight these, and let's highlight this. All right, good. So quick recap on the Lucayans. What is the name of the Lucayans' ancestors? What is the name of
AWACS.
the AWACS? Very good. Next, describe the skin color of the AWACS. They were what?
Brown.
Brown skin. Very good. And what describe their faces and eyes. Their faces and
Flat
eyes.
forehead.
Their faces and eyes. Their faces and eyes.
Face painted.
Painted, okay.
Close eyes.
That's slanted eyes.
They had slanting eyes. Very good.
Yeah, close eyes.
Slanting eyes. They are quite tall with broad faces. So don't forget that. So they kind of look almost like a Chinese, with a Chinese Indian look. All right. So the AWACS used to do something with the newborn baby's head. What is that they used to do?
Flatten the forehead.
Flatten their forehead.
Very good. Flat. Very good. Flatten the foreheads of the babies. All right, Deshaun, I don't want you to answer in this one. Then, give the other person a chance. I know that you know it, so that's good. Okay, so next question is, what was the reason for flattening the heads? What's the reason for flattening the heads of the
It was beautiful
They
and
wanted to
it
make
would
their babies
strengthen
feel
their
beautiful.
bones.
Very good. So the first one is protection. So it is believed that the flattening of the head actually thickens the bone. All right, that's one reason. It also was for fashion and beauty. All right. Okay, next. So anyone can answer this now. Give me some of the colors that they painted their face with. Some of the colors that they painted.
Yellow,
Black, yellow,
yellow,
purple, yeah,
white,
white,
red.
yes, red, yes,
blue.
no blue. So red, white, yellow, purple, and black mixtures. All right. Yes, go ahead.
I know someone with a flat forehead.
Joel, come on.
Look like it's
Euphemism.
literally flat.
Euphemism. All right, so next. What was the reason for the colors on their faces? And the paint on their face, what's the reason?
Religion's reasons are protecting from mosquitoes.
For what?
Protected from mosquitoes.
Protected from mosquitoes, yes. What's that a reason?
And for religion.
And for religious reasons, very good. So it had a magical and religious meaning to them, all right? Okay, so they had a simple life. What are some ornaments what are some things they used to make their ornaments with, their jewelry with? Mm-hmm.
There's nothing on the screen for me.
Yeah, I haven't, it's just review. It's review. We haven't gotten into it yet. All right. So what do the Arawaks use as jewelry? What do they use as jewelry? Or ornaments?
Stuff that they pick up off the floor?
Yeah,
like-
very good. Very good. Anyone else? What did Arawaks use for jewelry?
Trees, pieces of leaves.
Okay. Say
Alright.
rock. Wood.
Feathers.
Feathers. Feathers is one. What else?
Seashell.
Shells is another
Wood.
one. Very good.
Wood.
No. So ornaments. Like jewelry. So definitely it's gonna be the feathers, it's gonna be the shells, it's gonna be bones.
Excuse me.
Yes.
There's like an art, it's in an art classroom, but it's like an hour. So like back then, was people still alive and like when all this was happening? Like,
Yes. People were still
Like,
alive. Yes. Yes.
oh,
Yeah, people were still alive. And then so we have shells, bones, cottons, and feathers. All right. Okay, good. So now we're gonna be talking about, so we talked about how they look, which is good. We talk about the things that they put on their skin, blah, 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 to keep it from diseases and stuff like that. Now we're gonna be talking about how did they live? Like how did they live? So that's the topic for today. How did the Arawaks live? How did they live? So let's go ahead. How did they live? So obviously in today's world, so that's thing on this. So how did they live? All right. So we have, so obviously in today's world, we use what, fancy hotels and fancy cities and stuff, right? But in the Arawaks days, what they use? So Lukayans live in what?
Tortillas.
Hatias?
Huts.
Huts, very good.
they sleep inside,
What was the name of the whole entire combination of huts and hammocks and stuff? We call that. Whole combination of everything.
Village.
Village, very good. So Lukayans lived in villages, right? Which were built very near to the sea. What's the point of building their villages very near to the sea?
So they can have access to water and they can fish.
Very good. So they have access to water and they can fish. Because you know they used to eat fish as well. So they put it, and the cool breeze as well is also important. So Lucayans lived in villages which were built very near to the sea. Okay, right? The houses. So the houses of the. Okay, so let's before a cacique. Who is a cacique? A cacique.
The leader.
Is the leader.
Their leader.
Right, is the leader, right? Of the Arawak. So a cacique is the leader of the Arawak village. Okay, he's a leader, spiritual leader and political leader. So the houses, you think the houses were different for a cacique and an ordinary people, an ordinary person?
Yes, his house was bigger.
His house was bigger, okay? You think it's fair for his house to be bigger than the rest? Or everyone should be the same size?
I think everyone should be the same size.
I think everyone should
Again?
be the same size, right? But he's like the ruler. He's like basically the king in a way. So he should
I
have
think
just
it's okay because they would have village meetings in his house probably.
okay. You think it's okay? They may have village in the his house. All right. Anyone else would like to be a Arawak cacique? A cacique, a ruler? Or you would just rather be the you'd rather be the ordinary Arawak or the cacique Arawak? Which one?
The cacique, because I have better treatment, I guess.
The cacique?
Ordinary.
The ordinary? All right.
Because
have the power to teach them about the real ill God.
Okay. So there's something, okay. So the houses for the ordinary Arawaks or Lucayans were called, what do we call them? Kanays, right? They were called kanays. They were made of wood and thatch. These were round with a conical, it's like a cone-like, like, you know, like ice cream cone-like roof. All right. So let's go ahead and piece by piece describe the houses.
So is it ice cream?
Yeah, it's like that's the roof though, the roof. All right. So let's describe the house of the ordinary Arawak. What was the name of the house of the ordinary Arawak? The name of the house for the ordinary Arawak. What do we call the houses for the ordinary Arawak? I can't hear you. You sound very low.
Nice.
Kanays. Very kanays. The houses, not the bed. The houses. All right. Okay. What are the houses made of for the regular Arawaks?
Wood and thatch.
Wood and thatch.
The wood and thatch. Very good. Wood and thatch. Now it had what type of bottom and what type of roof?
A round roof. A round bottom. A round bottom and a cone roof.
Very good. A round bottom and a cone roof. Has anyone ever had to build an Arawak home or Arawak hut for a project or something like that?
No. I planning on seeing it though.
You plan on seeing it? Okay. So there's no.
I live on the island where they from.
Okay, you live on the island where they from. Okay. So let me show you all a picture of the regular Kanay. The regular Kanay. So this is a picture of the regular Kanay. And as you can see, stop As you can see, you see everything they talk about, right? You see the round bottom, right? And you see the roof with shape like a what? Shape like a what? Shape like
A cone.
a cone. Very good. A cone. Very good. And then you see a round, like a round spherical base. And that's a typical house. Mind you, when people go on vacations and stuff, sometimes they live in, like in the real world, people just make huts and stuff, and they just live over them just for vacation and stuff like that. They want to have a good time, whatever. So, sometimes
I
these
know
things
what you mean.
yeah, sometimes these things come back full circle. They copy the design of the Arawaks, and I'm sure plenty of y'all wouldn't mind just swinging on a hammock, near the beach or something like that.
I really wouldn't mind. That's so peaceful. I'm
Very
reading
peaceful.
a book.
Yeah, very peaceful. So let me give you a little colored one as well. Maybe this would help as well with your image, with imagining it. But again, round base, and then they had a cone-like roof. All right. So what is the name of this house, and who lived in this house?
Akani and ordinary.
Akani and the
Lucayans
ordinary
lived there.
Lucayans lived there.
Very good. Ordinary Lucayans, not the cacique. Too small for the cacique. Okay, so now the chief's house. So the chief's house. Right, or the cacique house, which is who was the cacique, was called a puhayo. Usually bigger. And which shape is the cacique house?
Rectangular?
Rectangular, very good. So the puhayo usually bigger and rectangular. These houses, right? These houses. Close. Mute your mic, Joel. Mute your mic. These houses had very little furniture and utensils. So these houses had very little furniture and utensils, all right? Just a few clay pots, cards, and also hammocks. So they didn't have a lot, inside of their hammock or inside of their houses, right? Very spacious, large in the cacique house. Just a few clay pots, cards, hammocks, stuff that they could use to sleep in, eat food in, very simple stuff, nothing sophisticated. All right. Okay, cool. And we have cooking and eating was done outside, often under a canopy. Nearby were gardens. Nearby were gardens. For herbs and plants. Further away, further away. Further away were, further away were the corn Eucus, which is the field for, the field for their crops. All right, further away. All right, so let me go ahead and show you all the picture for the caciques, place of residence or where he used to live. So I have two images here, and you can tell me which is which.
Excuse me, I wasn't done reading.
No, I come back. I come back.
Oh.
So we have two houses. Which one is the cacique? Which one is the regular individual awa?
The cacique is the rectangular one.
The one on the right.
The one on the right. Very good. The one on the right. Now, as you can see, the one on the right, it's supposed to be a little bit more bigger than this. So they draw the same size, but it's supposed to be a little bit more bigger. All right. What's the difference? The base is rectangular, right? It fits with the head. It's not like a circular cheat. It's bigger, right? And so this is the cacique's home, the cacique's residence. All right. So that's that. So the cacique is going to have the one that is a little bit more rectangular in shape. Okay. All right. So cooking was done outside under canopy because you know it's the sun. Nearby were gardens for herbs and plants. Further away were the Canuscus, which is field for their crops. And when we talk about the Canuscus and the field for their crops, we're getting into how do they, you know, survive? How do they basically, what do they eat to sustain themselves? Right? That's what we basically diving into. All right. So what I want you to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Mr. Petit, my mom is not here.
All right. No problem. Once she arrives, then I want you to do that. I am going to put the quiz inside the chat. Once you start the quiz, just put started. So quiz number 1. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started. I need everyone to do the quiz. All right. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. All right. Thank you, Sean. The rest of you, please, once you started, please put started. Thank you, Tyler. All right. Only 2 persons. Thank you, Dorcia. Thank you, Isis. Thank you, Mari. Thank you, Kelvin. Again, once you started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. All right. Thank you, Asia. Thank you, Kamara. Thank you, Ranika. Thank you, Sion. Very good. Okay, so this is on how did they live? Same thing, how did they live? All right, where did they live? Did they want the sea? Were they ordinary? Like, what kind of stuff? All right. Okay, good. So everyone should be doing the quiz. All right, everyone should be doing the quiz. If you want me to repost the quiz, I can repost it. All right, let's post it out. I'm gonna repost the quiz, so it's gonna be here. Same quiz 1. Same quiz 1. All right, so we have. All right, so we have. All right, so let's see. Let me see the responses. How y'all doing on the quiz? Are y'all didn't finish it? So still working. Let's see. Okay, someone just said started. Very good, started. All right, so let's go ahead and And let's go. All right. Like I said, it's out of 30. It's out of 30. It's out of 30. All right. So let's see if anyone who completed it. Let's see. Let me see the results. So let's see the results of this. Let's see the sheets. All right, so let's see these grades. Everyone should be doing well on them. Let's see. I haven't seen no one put that grade yet. So I guess y'all still working. All right. So just be careful with the questions. Read carefully, read carefully, read carefully. All right. All right, so let's go with Amari. What number you want on the quiz? Amari, what number you want on the quiz? Amari, there's Amari King. Amari
Number
King.
14.
Number 14, very good. Sion, what number you on? Okay.
Mr. Petit, they finished the quiz. I get a 26 or 30.
Okay, 26. 26 is good. All right, anything lower than 26, you have to redo the quiz. 26, let's see, 26. 26 over 30. Yeah, that's good. You gotta at least get 21, eh? No, 21 is too low. 25. Yeah, 24. Okay, so the lowest you can get is 24. The lowest anyone could get is 24. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and check the rest. Everyone else. Okay, very good. Kelvin Gordon. Very good, Jamari. Very good, Nisha. Very good, Amari King. Very good. Well, Denisha and Amaria and Deshaun, y'all first timers, but y'all have to redo it. All right. Terrell. All right, so Terrell. All right. Please redo your quiz. Natasha Charlton, please redo your quiz. Tyler, very good, exceptional job. All right. All right, so let's go. Moving on. So, how many persons are finished with the quiz? Let me know if you finished with the quiz. Let me know if you finished the quiz. All right. Who all are finished with the quiz? Let me know, please. Can't have from no one. Anyone is finished with the quiz? Let me know, please.
I'm finished.
All right.
Jamari finished with the quiz.
Very good. Very good. All right, so Ashanti, where's Ashanti? Ashanti, can you hear me? Where's Ashanti? Can't really hear from Ashanti. Okay, so let's see if we are good. Let's see. All right, so there we go. All right, so moving right along. So we have, okay, so once you finish with the quiz and you send your grade to me, and you send also your notes, then you can leave. We're gonna go to religious studies. All right. Again, once you finish with your quiz and you send your grades to me, we're gonna move on to religious studies. All right.
Good night.
So quickly to your quiz. Good night. All right. All right. Let's see. What time is it? It's supposed to.
I got 30.
You got a 30. Very good. Let's check the quiz stuff. Very good. Tanisha,
I got a
30 out of 30.
24.
24. Very good.
My mom
14.
home, I gonna send a picture of the notes right now.
All right, thank you. Tomoya, very good, 24. Cleveland, very good, 30 out of 30. Tyler, 28 over 30. Very good. Natasha Charlton, please read your quiz. All right, so make sure I read your quiz. All right, so next, let's move on to let's go on to religious studies. Religious studies. All right, cool. Religious studies or religious knowledge.
I'm finished.
Religious studies. You finished?
Yes, sir.
That's good. What you got?
26, I think.
Okay, that's good.
Good night.
Good night. All right, so today we're going to be looking at religious studies. The topic is not how did they live. All right, so we already did with the birth of John and Jesus announced. What was the name of the angel that had the privilege of sending the message to both of them?
Gabriel.
Gabriel, very good. Gabriel came to who instead of Elizabeth? Who did Gabriel come to?
Her husband,
Yeah,
Zachariah.
very good husband, Zachariah. Where was Zachariah when the angel encountered him?
Excuse me, Miss Petite.
Mhm.
Can I use the restroom, please?
Yes, you can. Quickly.
He was burning incense in the church.
Very good. He was burning incense in the temple. Very good. All right. All right. So let's talk about the birth of Jesus. All right, and the ministry in the temple. All right. So this is going to be Jesus presented in the temple. So Jesus is presented in the temple. All right, Jesus is presented in the temple. All right, so we have this is after Jesus is already born. So we know everything about the birth of Jesus today. Did we do the birth of Jesus? No, we did not. Oh, wow. That's basically, I guess we could do that around Christmas time. Let's do it around that time. But we can skip forward to the birth of Jesus. We can skip forward to after Jesus was born. So Jesus already was born. Where was Jesus born? Quickly. I want to remember, where was he born? Where
In
was he born?
Bethlehem.
He was born in Bethlehem. Very good. And he had swaddling clothes and he was lying where?
He was lying in a manger inside. I don't know what to call it, but it was a place with a bunch of animals.
What we call the place with a bunch of animals? Start with S.
A shack?
Not a shack, no.
Barn?
Stable.
Stable, very good. A stable. All right, so fast forward, he is already present in the temple. He already escaped Herod's threatenings. Now we are here where he is not this is before. This is I fast forwarding too far. This is him being like basically dedicated. You know, like christenings. Anyone ever been to a christening before? Where you see people wear matching clothes and then they just bring the baby to dedicate the baby. You're all familiar with that stuff?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ever been to
Yes, sir.
christening before?
Wait, what's the christening?
Christening. The christening is basically when they have a baby, someone just got a baby, and then they wanna let the pastor pray over the baby. So they would bring the people from the family. They just wear matching clothes and everything, and then they just go there and they just let the
Do they get baptized at the same time?
depends on which church. Yeah,
Because they thought you was mean like baptized, because that's what happened to my cousin's baby. All of them were girls, and I was, and the baby got baptized.
Okay, so my question is, you said, okay, so the baby got baptized. Which church that was? That's my question. Right?
I have no idea. That was in Nassau. That same church near the docks, next to the bridge that goes to Atlantis or something like that.
Okay. Yeah, I know some churches that is baptized little babies, from when they're young, but this is not baptism. This is like Jesus presented in the temple. This is like basically a christening when you dedicate the baby to God, basically. All right. So when he was presented in the temple, we had some visitors, okay, or some, figures who was impressed by him. The first thing we're gonna learn is Nicodemus. So Nicodemus. Go ahead. On
Who was the
Nicodemus.
last topic?
The last topic we did was the birth of. Well, no, it was Mary. Mary went to visit Elizabeth.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, Mary visited Elizabeth. So after Mary visited Elizabeth, then we had, the birth of John, then the birth of Jesus. Then Jesus is presented in the temple. So Nicodemus basically is Simeon's song of praise. Now, Simeon was one of the persons who Jesus met when he was being presented at the temple. So Simeon's song of praise. That's what Nicodemus means. Then you have purification. What do you think purification means? What does purification mean? Y'all familiar with that?
When you're purified?
Purification.
Purified of all evil.
When, it's like a ceremony. I mean, in the judicial, or the Jewish sense. When you are purified, when you undergo purification. So purification, basically the women go through that after they get pregnant with their newborn. They are not allowed to go into church right away. All right. There's a period that they have to wait, where they have to do purification. Then they can go.
And it depends on what child they give to. Like if it's a boy, it's like 40 days or something. And if it's a girl, like 80.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, so then we have proper. So a purification means to make what? To make clean. As a purification means to make clean. All right, then we have, let me go ahead and all right, so then we have as purification to make clean. Then we have another definition of prophetess. Prophetess. Who is a prophetess? Sorry, I spelled this wrong. Prophetess. Who's a prophetess? You don't have an idea? Who's a prophetess? Joel, who's a prophetess?
A prophet, but as a woman?
Very good. So it's a woman prophet. Very good. So there's gonna be, so then that's prophetess. So the prophetess that he met was a female that tells what God would do. A female that tells what God would do where? In the future. All right, so all right, cool. All right, so that's a female who basically she predict the future, or she just say what God tell her to say about the future. And then we have a widow. Who is a widow? A widow is
A grieving wife.
Husband.
Like their
A
partner
woman
just
whose
died.
husband has died.
who? Their who?
Husband.
Like a grieving
Their
wife.
husband or wife
That
died.
husband just died.
Very good. So a widow typically refers to a female. So a woman whose husband, All has died. So a woman whose husband has died. All right, so next, so let's get into the story, all right? So when Jesus was 8 days old, how old he was? 8 days old. His parents all right, so Jesus he was 8 days old. That's wrong.
You
I
have
said
6 instead of
I have 6 instead of 8. That's wrong. So 8 days old. His parents had him circumcised. So circumcision is basically something that all the Jewish boys had to do. And not only had him circumcised, but he was named as well. So they put him in official name book. All right.
What circumcised means?
Circumcised. That's when they remove the. I don't want to say. I don't want to be too graphic, but yeah.
That sounds harsh.
So.
Why would they do that? I know that would hurt me.
That's but at least they do it when you're small. So by the time you're grown, you wouldn't really feel like that. It'll already be a part of you. Your body already get used to it. So when
if that happened to me, I'll find out who do that and I'll get them to mean a slap at evening.
But remember, circumcision was a custom or covenant, right? That the Jews made with God. So it was something that every Jew had to do. So every male Jew. So okay. When he was 40 days old, his parents took him to be presented to God in the temple. Christians today call this christening. Mary also went to take part in the purification ceremony. So when Jesus was 40 days old, he went to be presented to the temple. Mary also went this time because Mary, she needed to present herself too. She needed to basically come to an end of the purification ceremony. So Mary also went to take part in the purification ceremony. All right.
So, Mr. McKee, is it true? Is it true nowadays women are not supposed to go to church if they're still pregnant? I mean, newly pregnant.
If the custom still holds, or if
yes, if it still holds.
It still holds in Jewish. It still holds in Jewish cultures, but Christians don't really follow that unless the lady have like a health issue or something like that. They don't really follow that. Like especially like the 40 days old, the 8 days old, and that circumcision, they don't really follow that. But Jews still follow that even to this day. So after giving birth, she was considered to be what? Mary was considered to be what? Ceremonially or ritually unclean. Yeah, unclean. And could not take part in what? Any religious activities. All right. So she was ceremonial unclean. You can take part in any religious ceremony, right? And the reason is because of the blood, and that was their custom too. All right, so Mary had to bring an offering for the purification. So Mary took 2 turtle doves, or pigeons, to offer a sacrifice. So that's what she needed to bring for the purification ceremony. Because she already had the waited period where she didn't come to church or come to the synagogue under those conditions. In the temple, so in the temple they met some very interesting people. So in the temple, they met Mary and Joseph, all right. So they met who? Who did they meet? They meet someone named who? They met a very old prophet named Simeon, who blessed Jesus. Okay. He also said that the Holy Spirit told him that he would not see death until he sees the Messiah. Okay. So he told them that the Holy Spirit told or promised him that he would not die until he sees the Messiah. Okay. And then in the temple, they also met someone else in the temple. In the temple, they also encountered. So they also encountered this lady. Her name was Anna. Okay, and she was a prophetess. They encountered Anna, who was about 84 years old. All right. She was a widow, but means her husband has husband to die, and prophetess. Okay. She was a widow and she was a prophetess. Anna was very devoted to God, very devoted. Anna was very devoted to God. When she saw Jesus. All right, when she saw Jesus. She prophesied. She prophesied about Jerusalem. About Jerusalem. About Jerusalem. And how it would be saved by the arrival of the Messiah. Of the Messiah, which is Jesus. So basically, there were two persons who came to recognize Jesus. Obviously, Jesus, he wasn't famous yet, just as a little baby. And he caught the eyes of people, and persons were really, really enthusiastic about, you know, the Messiah and him and all that stuff because of Jesus, right? So first question, what is the name of Simeon's song of praise? Simeon's song of praise. It's a quick question. What is the name of Simeon's song of praise? Anyone can answer.
Demetrius.
Yeah. Nick, Nunk, Nick or Nunk, Demetrius. Very good. So it's a song of praise. What does purification mean? What does purification mean?
To make clean.
To make clean. Very good. What was the name of the two persons who saw Jesus when he was being presented, to the temple? The two people, the two persons. Anna and who else? Anna and who else? Start with S. Simeon, very good. Simeon. Why wasn't Mary allowed into the temple before 40 days?
Because she was considered unclean.
She's considered unclean. Very good. What did she bring as a sacrifice for the purification ceremony?
2 turtle doves.
Turtle doves.
Very good. 2 turtle or pigeons for sacrifice. Very good. And that's a small offering because they were not rich. All right. So they got the smaller offering. But if you had money, then you would have to do the big offering. Okay. So, what promise did the Holy Spirit give to Simeon?
That he would not die
until he see the Messiah.
Very good. And he would not see that until he see the Messiah. Very good. How old was Anna?
84.
84. Very good. 84. What was Anna? Give me 2 words to describe her. She was a what?
She was a widow and a prophet.
Anna. She was a widow and she was a prophetess. She was old. Very good. Okay, cool. All right, so next. Lord, now lettest thy servant depart in peace according to thy word. King James Version. Good News Version. Now, Lord, you have kept your promise and you may let your servant go in peace. Who is the speaker and why did he make this statement?
Simeon.
Simeon is... Very good. Why did he make this statement?
Because he saw the Messiah.
Very good. Because he saw the Messiah. Very good. Explain why Mary and Joseph went to Jerusalem.
To meet Simeon, who could bless Jesus, who would bless Jesus.
That's not the reason why they didn't know. They didn't know it was gonna be them. Why did they go to Jerusalem?
What I think for the count, to count everyone.
To be purified so she could be considered clean again.
Very good. So Mary could participate in the purification ceremony. And one more reason.
To get Jesus purified.
Not purified. Jesus didn't need to be purified. He needed to be purified. He needed to be what? Christened or presented, right? Or dedicated. Okay. How old was Jesus when his parents took him to Jerusalem at this time?
40 days old.
40 days old. Very good. Who was a prophetess?
Female that tells what God would do in the future.
Very good. Someone who tells what God will do in the future. And JPR question, God always rewards people for their faith in him. Do you agree or disagree?
I agree with this statement.
You agree? Why you agree?
Agree.
What's the reason? What's the reason? Why you agree? God always rewards people for their faith in him. Go ahead.
Because the people who have faith in him are the true believers and will always believe in God no matter what.
Very good.
They always have faith.
Because people who are the people who believe are the true believers and they will always believe him no matter what. Very good. Very good. Right. So that brings us to the end of this. So I don't have no quiz for this one. So what that means is if you are finished with your work, then you can leave.
I'm not done writing it down.
That's fine. Again, once you're finished, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. I'll see you all on next week, Monday, for Spell Life. So take care if you're finished. But send a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp if you're finished. All right? Okay.
See you next week.
Yeah, have
Grace.
a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care.
Good night.
Good night, good night, good night. Have a wonderful evening. Take care, everyone. Bye, 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 bye.
Good night.
Good night, good night, good night.